Tesla has confirmed that it will send some Shanghai workers to California for factory boots, and the plan is around 500 Shanghai workers. Okay, mainly they are those are the IT experts, and the plan is to facilitate the auto production in the California factory. First, when I hear about this news, honestly, I don't think it's a good idea. The reason is simple. When you do this, it will seriously affect the morale in the California factory. And there can be so many different cultural conflicts. The Chinese culture and the USA culture is absolutely different. For example, in China, IT experts they generally need to work over 12 hours per day, and in 1 week they need to work at least 6 days. It's kind of crazy, honestly. But I believe that in California, those people they don't embrace such kind of working culture. So when there is cultural conflict, it will be difficult for them to cooperate with each other. And furthermore, and they may enforce some business secrets. For example, can you almost allow those Shanghai worker access some very high quality, high classified information? If you do, okay, then maybe one day those Shanghai worker resign and then go back to China. Maybe they will sell those information to other competitor. And furthermore, will the USA government allow those Shanghai workers access those classified information? They may enforce a lot of USA citizens' privacy in terms of their driving habits and something like that. So all in all, I don't think it's a good idea for Tesla to do that, especially now this day the relationship between China and USA is so so tight. So I think this plan will backfire in so many ways. And if you don't agree, please feel free to share your comment in the comment section. I will read and reply all your comments. Thank you very much.